Hi guys, so today we are going to learn how to do ibis paint blinking thing. So first you have to go to Safari and do the jelly or eye, or you can use your eye if you want. Any eye works, but I recommend jelly eyes. You can go to image and Google or Safari. I already got mine. This is just a test for blinking. I'm not stealing. So when you find the eye you're satisfied with, tap on the picture like I did, and then push save to photos, and then go to ibis paint, and then push my gallery, and then push the plus, import picture, and then push the eye, and then I think the recommended would be the good. You can also do original if you want to. And then when you're there, you have to go to the layer part, and then push the paper with plus, and then push duplicate. Then you put the invisible on the normal one, and then you erase the eye to make it where you want it to blink. So this is how I recommend erasing it. You erase the full eye first, but you also have to erase the eyelids too, where the eyelids stop. And then the shape of the eye is where you erase, so like what I'm doing. Just make sure to not get any out of the lines. It's okay if you accidentally. And then this is called erasing. And then you don't have to erase if you don't want, but it's optional. And then you erase down here. I recommend erasing only a little bit of the eyelid, like a little bit more of the eyelid. But yeah, like that. And then you just erase. Then what you want to do is uninvisible the thing, and then you go to the special pen, and then you do the thickness however you want, and then you go down, you drag it down. You have to do the drag. And then you drag it so it closes the eye all the way closed. You can't have any one that's staring into your soul. And then just tap it. Just like that. Make sure no pink is showing. Like that. It's okay if the eyelashes look musty and crusty. Then just push the strength, and that's how you blink. Let me show you how it looks. Cool, right? I got too busy with blinking. It looks so good. Like slay. So here is the final result. How do you guys think? Please like and subscribe to show support. Thank you for watching. Bye.